Hello CS scholars. Children, in our previous videos, we had started our first chapter of workbook and we completed our worksheets also. I hope you have completed that one. And today we are going to start our third chapter. So let's start. Take out page number 23. Chapter number 3, The Snake Boat Races of Kerala. Worksheet number 1. Children, in this worksheet, a passage is given on Durga Puja. Durga Puja is also the major festival of Hinduism. Let's know more about Durga Puja. Durga Puja, also known as Durgotsav or the festival of Durga, is celebrated every year in the month of September or October. The occasion is widely celebrated in Delhi, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Tripura, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab, Kashmir, Karnataka, and Kerala. It is in West Bengal where it is observed with the greatest enthusiasm. Children, in many states of India, Durga Puja is celebrated widely, and in West Bengal, we have observed that this festival is celebrated with the greatest enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means with the feeling of energetic interest. The most important events for the Bengalis, Durga Puja is a 5-day festival dedicated to the worship of the deity Durga. Children, this is the most important event or festival for the Bengalis, and Durga Puja is a 5-day festival which is dedicated to the deity Durga. Deity means a god or a goddess, and this festival is dedicated to the goddess Durga. These 5 days are Mahashashti, Mahasaptami, Mahashtami, Mahanavami, and Vijayadashmi. Children, these are the 5 most important days of Durga Puja. Including Mahalaya, the day of initiation of the Durga Puja festivities, the occasion can be extended to a 10-day event. Children, Mahalaya is the initiation day. Initiation means an occasion when something starts. And of the Durga Puja festivities. Festivities means the parties or the meals or other social activities with which people celebrate a social occasion. And every year the dates for the Durga Puja celebration are fixed according to the traditional Hindu calendar. In West Bengal, preparations for Durga Puja begin a couple of months in advance. A couple of months means 2 months, and in West Bengal the preparations for Durga Puja begin before 2 months in advance. Shopping activities increase in the days leading to the 5-day festivities. Children, as the days come closer to the Durga Puja festivities, uh, shopping activities also increase. Shopping and renovation activities for the house are a must for all Bengalis during this period. Children, renovation means any repair work. If any repair work is required for the house, so it is compulsory for all the Bengalis to do so. Just before the actual Durga Puja festivities begin on Mahashashti, elaborate structure made of bamboo covered with cloth are erected and decorated very beautifully. Children, in the picture you can see elaborate structure. Elaborate structure means a well planned, beautifully structure is made of bamboo. It is covered with cloth and they are erected. They erected means they are standing in a vertical position and decorated very beautifully, and these are called pandals. On Mahashashti, the idol of Durga, accompanied by 4 other idols, that of her 4 children Ganesha, Kartik, Lakshmi, and Saraswati, are set up inside the pandals with a worship ritual. Children, in the picture you can see along with the idol of Durga, her 4 children are also set up inside the pandal. Scores of people from these pandals with their families from the Mahashashti evening to get a glimpse of the goddess with her divine family. Children, here blue word is given THRONG. Its pronunciation is frong. It's not throng. It's frong. Frong means crowd. And as the crowd increased to see the glimpse of goddess Durga. And glimpse means to see, to view someone or something for a short time. And the worship of the goddess continue on Mahasaptami, Mahashtami and Mahanavami with elaborate rituals. Children, for all these 3 days the worship continues. On Vijayadashmi, a tearful farewell is offered to the goddess. The idols of goddess Durga and her children are carried in procession around the locality and are finally immersed in a nearby river or lake. Children, procession means a line of people or vehicle that move along the roadside slowly. Generally, you have seen during that festival, Ganesh Chaturthi festival, on the last day of festival, how we take the idol of Ganesha and we put that idol of Ganesha in the river. Same with this festival also. The Bengalis take this idol of Durga along with her 4 children and they give a tearful farewell, and they carried out a procession also, and they finally immersed in a nearby river or lake. Immersed means to put someone or something completely under the surface of the liquid. The evening sees a get together of relatives performing what is traditionally known as kolakulu, embracing one another and eating sweets and other delicacies. Children, that evening is known as Kolakuli, and on that evening, people embrace each other. Embrace means they put their arms around around their relatives and they give a sign of love or friendship. And on that day, they eat sweet and other delicacies. Delicacies means something specially rare or expensive item that is good to eat. This day, known as Vijayadashmi or Vijayadashmi, is celebrated all over India. So, children, Vijayadashmi is also known as Vijayadashmi. Durga Puja is also a big festival in Nepal and Bangladesh. So, children, here we end with our story. Go through the story, read words to know. Take out page number 25. Exercise A. Answer these questions. Number 1. Write 2 sentences on Durga Puja in your own words. Number 1. Durga Puja is also known as Durgotsav and it is celebrated every year in the month of September or October. Number 2. In West Bengal, it is observed with the greatest enthusiasm. Children, here you can write your own sentences also, and remaining portion try to solve by your own. Exercise B. Mark the statements as true or false. Children, whichever sentences are true, mark as T, and whichever sentences are false, mark it F. Take out page number 26. Worksheet number 2. Write the correct antonym for each of these words. Children, antonym means the opposite word. Here the words are given. You have to write its antonym. Number 1, day, night. Number 2, asleep, awake. Like this, the rest of the words you have to do it by your own. Number B. Replace each of these underlined words with its antonym. Then rewrite the sentence using the antonym. Make other changes if necessary. Children, Here in each of the sentences one underlined word is given and you have to change these underlined words with its antonym and you have to rewrite the sentence. See the first one. Our grandparents live far from us. Children, here the underlined word is far and when we change it with its antonym, it will become near. See the answer. Our grandparents live near us. Children, here I have not written the word from. Why I have not written the word from? Because far from shows a great distance. So I have not written the word from. Like this, if any changes is required in any of the sentence, do it. I will be sending you the notes. Go through the notes. Bye bye. Good day.